Hi, my name is Cynthia. I'm going to give you my top 10 tips on custody issues. One of my previous videos I talked about a case in Michigan that the judges look at for giving decisions on custody issues. The name of the case was Vodvarka versus Grassmeyer. Vodvarka versus Grassmeyer. Grassmeyer. Every state has, I'm sure, a case that the judges look to give advice to them on issues concerning custody. In Michigan, that is our case. And I've done many custody cases, and that was the case that the judge looked to. By the way, I'm a retired lawyer. I'm not giving you legal advice. This is my personal opinion on these cases. And I 25 years of experience working in this area. In the previous video, I indicated I'm going to go through these factors individually. Today I'm going to go through 3 of them a little bit more intensely. Number 1 issue, the love, affection, and other emotional ties existing between the parties involved and the child. The court always wants to look at the best interests of the kids. And one of them is, do the parties have a connection with the kids? And in other words, when the parties come home, are the kids excited to see them? Does the party excited to see the kids? Does the party hug and kiss them? I mean, not everybody are huggers and kissers, but they show affection in their own way. So the courts want to know this, and you're going to need to have witnesses to give you that, to give the court that kind of feeling about the child and the parent. So get your ducks in order, so to speak, and have this all set up with witnesses on how you are with your kids and how the other spouse is with the kids, so that when this issue comes up, you're going to be able to advise your lawyer of witnesses and get that all taken care of. Now, talk to your lawyer too when you first come in and find out if these factors that I'm giving you are valid in your particular state. And then you can be a little more set up yourself on what you need to get in line for that custody hearing down the road. Next issue, capacity and disposition of the parties involved to give the child love, affection, and guidance. And this is on religion. Are you the one that takes the kids to church on Sunday or whenever, if you're Jewish or other religions? Who's the one that gets the children involved in religion? In Michigan, religion is a big factor in our particular custody cases. And is it your mother or father, grandfather that takes the kids to church? What about during the week? Who's the one that gives the child education during the week regarding religion? This is going to be an issue that's going to come up, at least in Michigan. Again, have witnesses around. If you go to church on a regular basis, the minister, priest, rabbi, they know you. Make sure that that person knows that there's going to be a custody battle, and they might be involved down the road. Now, they don't like to get involved, but if they need to, they'll know who's the one that comes in on a regular basis. And if you do on a regular basis, make sure you're the one going up to the priest or rabbi or minister. Let them know you're the one that's coming in, because otherwise they don't know you from anybody else in the church. Sometimes churches have more than 1,000 people. So religion is a big factor, and it's important to get that set up now, not during the custody battle. Have it done well before that. Start it right now, taking the kids to church on a regular basis. Last one, capacity and disposition of the parties involved to provide the child with food, clothing, medical care, and other remedial care. Who's the one that takes the kids to the doctor? Now, sometimes people got to work during the day, so the one that stays home is the one that gets involved doing that. But if you're not the one that's taking them to the doctor, are you the one contacting the doctor to find out what's going on afterwards? Make sure that you are involved in that particular part of the child with the health care. Let the doctor know who you are. Sorry about my parrot. So that if the doctor or somebody in their office has to come in, they're going to say, I never saw that person ever in my life. Same thing with clothing. If you are in a custody battle and the other party comes and picks the kids up, do you give them a package of the clothing so that when they take them and it comes back, is the clothes clean when they come back? Are they dirty? Or they don't even change the kid into those clothes? Do the clothes come back at all? Or do they keep the clothes? You got to be able to, another thing is the food. Are they the one that makes sure the kids are eating properly? They take them to McDonald's every time they come, or just have pizza. Are they careful about what the care of the kids are? This is another issue that's very important in custody battles. Ask your lawyer about this. Again, I'm not giving you legal advice. You can read the case and you can see how the judges have gone through these factors in that particular case and talk about it. So you'll know these are important issues down the road. Start thinking about them now before the battle starts. Or if the battle is going on right now, read those cases very carefully so that you know what to expect down the road. Hopefully you got something out of this. Again, I'm not giving you legal advice. I'm a retired lawyer. I've been a lawyer for more than 25 years working in the divorce area and custody area. I've done many cases on custody battles. And I am just giving you my personal opinion on these issues. And hopefully you got something out of this. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Come back and visit me again because I'm going to go through some more of these issues in future videos. And I hope you subscribe to my channel. Come back and visit me. Okay? Bye now.